Hi everyone, my name is Emily Orr. That's a picture of me. I don't really have a whole lot of good pictures of me, so that one is from a vacation to New York City, which I loved and was not expecting to love. Anyways, um, I am majoring in health psychology, and I've been going to school for about 3.5 years. Well, I think I only have 4 semesters left or something. Um, I am married to a wonderful man named Jeremy Johnston. He grew up here in Rexburg. I grew up in St. Louis, Missouri, and we got married about a year ago. We met in our singles ward, which is the last place I expected to meet anyone, but we did, and so far so good. We were married in the Provo City Center Temple, which is completely gorgeous. It was the first open house I'd ever been to. But instead of getting married in the St. Louis temple like I wanted, it was too far from his family and too expensive to fly, so we got married in Utah, kind of a halfway point, not exactly. And anyways, that's the temple that we were married in, and it's gorgeous. We have a kitty cat named Elena. She's about a year old. She'll be 2 sometime this January. We got her last um, July, August. Anyways, she is the cutest kitty in my opinion. One of her favorite things to do is, well, right here she's on top of the blanket, but one of her favorite things to do is snuggle with me in the morning. She'll paw at my nose until I lift up the blankets and let her cuddle up against me. It's really pretty sweet. Alright, so moving on, I am the oldest of 4 kids. My sister still lives in St. Louis with her boyfriend. She's 19 years old. My brothers are 15 and I want to say 13 years old. They are living with my parents in North Carolina, who recently moved last summer there. So my parents raised me and my siblings in St. Louis for about 20 years until they moved, like I said, last summer. So, something interesting about me is that I'm the oldest grandchild of about 20 grandkids, 19, 20 grandkids or so in the family. Kids are my life. That's what my job is right now. I'm a nanny. And in this picture, it's only 2 of my cousins, but because I am the oldest, most of my cousins are either in elementary school or toddlers or infants. So I grew up babysitting them, and kids are just my favorite people by far. And then lastly, I guess, just a fun fact, I love potatoes. That was what influenced me to come to BYU, Idaho, instead of any other college. I mean, besides, the great environment and the great price. But when I was 9 years old, I decided I would go to BYU, Idaho because it was, the land of potatoes. This picture was from a couple summers ago when I was working as a pharmacy technician, but everyone there thought it was really funny that for lunch I would always go to the deli and get a side of mashed potatoes. So yeah, that is me, and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you. Thanks for watching.